students, welcome to the next lecture of photosynthesis. In our previous lecture we had discussed about the quality of light as well as the immersion effect and the immersion's enhancement effect. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the photosystems. Before going to start the photosystem, we have to know about what is quantazome. Yeah, so here we have to discuss about quantazome and after that the photosystem. Quantazome is the collection of pigment molecules which are going to take part in the process of photosynthesis. So these are the collection of pigment molecules which takes part in which take part in photosynthesis. Okay? This is called as quantazome. In case of these quantazomes, which are also called as photosynthetic unit, one pigment is the reaction center. Suppose this is the reaction center and it is the chlorophyll A molecule. This is the reaction center and some other accessory pigments are also found around this reaction center. These pigments may be chlorophyll B, C, D, E or carotenoids or phycobilins. Clear? This complete structure is called as a photosynthetic unit, or it is also called as a antenna complex. Here the light is going to fall on this reaction center or on this quantazome in the form of photons, and it is getting excited and the electrons are going to emit from this structure. This complete structure is called as antenna complex. Okay, this is called as antenna complex and this is the photosynthetic unit. Clear? So this is about the quantazome. Now we are going to discuss about the photosystems. There are two photosystems present in the membrane of thylakoid. As we all know that the light reaction of photosynthesis is going to take place in the membrane of thylakoid and two photosystems are present there. That is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. So here is photosystem 1. We can write it PS1 also. So this is PS1 and here is photosystem 2. This is PS2. Now, what are these photosystems? These photosystems are nothing but they are the light harvesting complexes. They are going to harvest the light. The sunlight is absorbed by these photosystems and after that the photolysis of water molecule is going to take place there. That is the main aim of light reaction, photolysis of water molecule. Now, what is the structure of photosystem 1? In case of photosystem 1, the reaction center is chlorophyll A molecule. This is chlorophyll A and this chlorophyll A is going to absorb the light of 700 nanometer. Clear? We all know that all of the pigments are going to absorb the different wavelength of light. Here the chlorophyll A molecule is going to absorb the 700 nanometer of light. This chlorophyll A molecule is surrounded by the accessory pigments. So here is the accessory pigments. And these accessory pigments are also going to absorb light and they will give their light to the reaction center. Okay, this is the reaction center. Chlorophyll A molecule is the reaction center, and these red colored part or the red colored pigments are the accessory pigments. After absorbing the light, this molecule of chlorophyll A is going to excited. Okay, it is going to absorb the light in the form of photons. So here is photons. In the form of photons, it is going to absorb the light. Chlorophyll A molecule as well as all the accessory pigments are going to absorb the light, and they all transfer their light to the chlorophyll A molecule. When this chlorophyll A molecule is getting excited after absorbing the light, then it emits the electron. So here it is going to emit the electrons, and in the membrane of thylakoid, the electron carriers are present. There are different structures which are going to carry these electrons or transport these electrons. Here is the primary electron acceptor. This primary electron acceptor accepts the electron, and these electrons are going to transport from one to the other electron acceptors, and during this process the energy in the form of ATP is going to be produced. Clear? इसे हम देखते हैं. This is the photosystem molecule, photosystem 1. क्लोरोफिल A यहाँ पे रिएक्शन सेंटर है ना. ये क्लोरोफिल A 700 नैनोमीटर की लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. साइड में जो रेड कलर के लगे हुए हैं, दीज आर द एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. ये एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स भी लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, और लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करने के बाद अपनी लाइट किसको देते हैं? क्लोरोफिल A के मॉलिक्यूल को देते हैं. सो इन फोटोसिस्टम 1 द रिएक्शन सेंटर इज क्लोरोफिल A 700. ना ये 700 नैनोमीटर की लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. दिस इज द रिएक्शन सेंटर. नाउ इन केस ऑफ फोटोसिस्टम 2, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस हियर? In case of photosystem 2, again the reaction center is chlorophyll A molecule, but here this chlorophyll A is going to absorb the light of 680 nanometer. Okay, this is going to absorb the light of 680 nanometer. बस एक ही डिफरेंस है हमारे पास यहाँ पे फोटोसिस्टम 1 और 2 के बीच में. मेन डिफरेंस है क्लोरोफिल ए मॉलिक्यूल. दोनों में ही रिएक्शन सेंटर क्लोरोफिल ए के मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे, बट इन केस ऑफ फोटोसिस्टम 1 लाइट जो एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है दैट इज ऑफ 700 नैनोमीटर, और जो फोटोसिस्टम 2 है इसमें जो लाइट एब्जॉर्ब होती है दैट इज द 680 नैनोमीटर. यहाँ पे भी एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स लगे हुए हैं. एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स कौन होंगे? एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स मेनली क्लोरोफिल बी, सी, डी, ई के मॉलिक्यूल्स हो सकते हैं. कैराटिनॉइड्स, फाइकोबिलिन्स, क्लियर, कैरोटीन्स और ज़ेंथोफिल्स, ये सारे पिगमेंट्स दीज आर द एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. सारे पिगमेंट्स लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करने के बाद लाइट किसको देते हैं? रिएक्शन सेंटर को. हियर द रिएक्शन सेंटर इज क्लोरोफिल ए 680 मॉलिक्यूल. तो यहाँ पे ये हमारे पास क्या है? रिएक्शन सेंटर. और जब रिएक्शन सेंटर के पास लाइट आएगी तो रिएक्शन सेंटर क्या करेंगे? अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इमिट करेंगे. दीज आर द एसेसरी पिगमेंट्स. क्लियर? यहां से जैसे ही लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे और लाइट्स जैसे ही ये एक्साइट होंगे, एक्साइटेड स्टेट में ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एमिट करेंगे, और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को रिसीव करने के लिए कौन है? प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर्स. प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर से ये जो दूसरे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीवर्स है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर्स है, उन कैरियर्स के पास लाइट जाएगी और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाएंगे, और इन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जो एनर्जी है ये इस एनर्जी का यूज करके एटीपी सिंथेसिस करेंगे. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फोटोसिस्टम ए एंड फोटोसिस्टम 1 एंड फोटोसिस्टम 2. एक ही चीज हमें अच्छे से याद रखनी है. यहाँ पे जो रिएक्शन सेंटर है, वी कैन राइट दिस P700 ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज द रिएक्शन सेंटर P700 फॉर फोटोसिस्टम 1. or A700 we can also write here, because the chlorophyll A molecule is going to take part here and it is going to absorb the light of 700 nanometer, and here we can write P680 also. This is the major difference between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Yeah, hopefully you all get the point of differences between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss about the mechanism of light reaction, and in this light reaction, both of these photosystems are going to take part. Thanks for watching.